Okay, Year 5, here's some advice on how to add links to your PowerPoint presentation to make your virtual classroom. I've got a blank screen here. So if I want to add a background, I can go to Insert, Picture, and find a background that I've already saved. So say for example I was going to do the allotment one, so I would save the allotment one here, and obviously I would make that the same size as my slide size. Okay, and then I would add some things on it. So when I did this one, I added, say, an apple. And then when you have your object, you then obviously you don't want white around it, so you go to this part here, which tells you to remove background. And then if you go back, you can see that you need to just change the arrows so that all of the fruit that you want is in color. And then if you click away, you'll see that your apple now has no background. And obviously you don't want your apple that big or your object that big, so you would change the size and then have it however you want. Now if you wanted to then use that object as a link to something else, make sure you click on it so that it's highlighted, right click, and you have the option of a hyperlink. So if you click on the hyperlink, you can then either find a document somewhere, or you can have an address to find something. So for example, if I wanted to add say something from YouTube, so you would go onto the YouTube website. Say we wanted to do something about apples, just for example, because that was apples. So apples and bananas song. So then maybe it was this one. So you would start the video, and then if you look at the top, you can see that there's an address. So you can, let me just stop that because that's a silly song. So copy that. So you can copy by Control and C. Then you can go back to your PowerPoint. And then in here, you can do Control V, and that pastes that in. And that's pretty much all it is to add a link. Then to double check your links work, go to Slideshow, from current slide, and then you can click on it and it should take you to that annoying song. And there we are, minus the advert. Okay, so that is how you can add a link to your PowerPoint. So good luck.